My lord, stop that. Stop it and listen to me. Listen to me. My lord, I have a question for you. Can you look at me? Look here.
Am I not looking at you?
No, look at the phone. The phone. This man. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
I see you.
Say it. Say you are a bad boy.
Bad, yeah.
Okay, like I said before, I said I have a question for you. Okay, the question is, it's just an instance. I pray that it never happens. God forbid. But I just want to know. If, for instance, I went out with any of our child and then we got stuck and you were called on phone and they told you to come and rescue one, that you must rescue one, not the two of us, just one. Who are you going to rescue?
You and my child.
Any of our child. It could be any of them. Who are you going to rescue? That your child or me? Be speaking English. I don't want to stress myself when I'm editing by trying to translate it. So be speaking English for our English audience. Yes.
So this one is very simple.
Okay.
A child and mother. The mother goes first now.
Speak English, brother. Look at the way you are shining. By the way, let me compliment you first of all. You are just glowing and shining. Like you are even, as I said it yesterday, right? How can you be more beautiful than a woman? The woman of the house. You are looking more. Anyway, that's by the way. So back to the question. What is your answer? Who are you going to rescue? Your child or your wife?
Wi-Fi first.
Wi-Fi.
I'll choose Wi-Fi.
Okay, why? You wanted to explain why before I cut you off.
This is because the child is still a child. The mother can have fit to have another child.
Okay. So what if the mother can no longer have children?
Can no longer have children. The ones that are here, who will take care of them with the other money? Is it the child? Is it another child? So
okay, I see where you are going because we have many of them. So in a case whereby you have your wife and a child, favor, all of you should go and sit down now. Back to the question, my lord. Sorry if I'm disturbing you, but I just want to know. I want to get your answer, okay? So I see where you are going because we have many of them, but in a situation whereby you have one child, what are you going to do? And your wife cannot be able to give you another child, probably because of issues she had during her pregnancy and stuff. So are you going to leave your wife and save the child, or are you going to save the child and leave your wife? Your dearest beloved wife.
That brings something on
your flesh.
If not that you have repented, I will leave you and take the child.
My lord, what did you say now? I want you to repeat what you said.
I said, if not that you have repented.
Repented of what?
You know what you used to do before?
I used to be always tired. You know what I mean? In the other. But you guys understand. I used to say I'm tired. I'm not in the mood. I'm tired.
If it were then, I'll just leave you there and take my child and walk away. When you find road, you come back. I think I'm done.
When I find the road, I come back. Okay, I beg. Oh, come and be going. Your time is done. Is that what you're saying? Guys, this is an update about Caleb's injury, the one he sustained at school last week. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? I can't remember, but this is 6 days later after he went to the hospital and they put a bandage on it. They cleaned the wound and put a bandage on it, and like I told you guys in my previous vlog, that this thing was actually open and deep. Like the thing went inside his forehead and actually gave it a dip. I don't even know how to explain this, but guys, something just amazed me now. Okay, according to the doctor, he said that after 6 days we should remove the bandage which was placed on his forehead, and this is 6 days later, and hubby just took it down now. And I am so surprised that the dip I saw the first day, right now you can see that there is no more hole there. I don't know what they did, and they did not stitch the wound. Like is that a magic or what? They did stitch the wound, yet there is no more hole there. See now, let me go closer. You can see the thing is just flat and almost gone. Like, I'm actually so surprised they did not stitch it. Eh? Wow, my lord, is this not too small? Put it, no, horizontally. Okay. Wow, I'm happy. Oh, ha! I was a bit scared. I told hubby, when it's time to remove this thing, don't call me. I don't want to be there. Do it by yourself. So he just came in now, and I'm so happy and surprised. Surprise! Is he paining you? Oh, thank God. Like from day one till now, he has never complained of any pain. Although I used to give him tachyprina at the earlier stage, and at a point I stopped. But he never for one day complained that this thing is paining him, which is actually exciting for me. I'm happy for you, Bobo. Imioho. Ngwa. Wapi also. Bye. Yes, baby. You want to see it? Okay. You go to the mirror and see it. Go to the mirror. Oh, I should take a picture. Okay, let me snap it.